मैं आभा सिंह जी के पास आऊंगी, उससे पहले एक बार मेहिका से भी जानना होगा। 4 साल तो मेहिका को भी हो गए और मैं पहले दिन से मेहिका की लड़ाई को पर्सनली देख रही हूँ। इनफैक्ट आप दोनों की लड़ाई को देख रही हूँ। मेहिका, कितना स्ट्रगल है, अभी भी कुछ कहीं इंसाफ मिलता, दूर दूर तक दिखाई दे रहा है कि कहीं आलोक की जो एक, मैं हत्या ही कहूंगी, हत्या हुई है, उसमें कहीं आपको लगता है जस्टिस मिलेगी आपको?
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है ये जो लॉज हैं ये जज लॉयर्स को भी बड़े अच्छे से मालूम है, and to some extent everybody is waiting for the judgment and just silent and seeing what is happening. जितने भी एक्यूज्ड हैं उनको ये एडवोकेट्स, जो भी लॉयर्स जो वो हायर करते हैं, वो आई थिंक उनको वो बोला जाता है कि आप मस्त रहो, आपका कुछ नहीं होगा. Till date, nobody has come to me. They live 1 kilometer next to my house, hardly a kilometer. 4 years, none of them has ever apologized or come to me, to talk to me or anything, because they are advised by their lawyers that, we know the laws, कुछ नहीं होगा आपका, just आराम से बैठो, चिल करो.
एक आदमी की जिंदगी, एक आदमी की जान ले ली, एक परिवार तबाह कर दिया.
They might be guilty. लोग मुझे कहते हैं their life is also not the same. They are also, going through whatever. They might be guilty, but then that doesn't. It's not helping me. I mean, Shilpa is going to the courts on every dates. I have been going, but then I have 2 children to take care, 2 teenage boys to cater to. I was a housewife. I have started working from home to make a living. All right, fine. Insurance वगैरह सब है, whatever, but it cannot bring back the same thing which
आपके पति तो वापस नहीं आ सकते. आपके पति, सबसे बड़ी बात है, बच्चों का, 2 बच्चों का पिता वापस नहीं आ सकता. शिल्पा का भाई वापस नहीं आ सकता.
2 teenage boys who need their father at this age. जैसे a growing teenage girl needs her mother. Similarly, teenage boys, when they are growing, they need their, the shift happens. This is the time they needed their father. And I just, no matter how much I try, मैं कितनी भी कोशिश कर लूं, मैं फादर का रोल नहीं प्ले कर सकती.
तो अभी जिस लड़के ने, इनफैक्ट उस गाड़ी में तो शायद 1 से ज्यादा लड़के सब बैठे हुए थे जब पार्टी से लौट रहे थे, जब आलोक, अच्छा, दो बैठे थे. वो लड़कों का क्या हुआ, कहाँ है वो? उनकी जिंदगी आराम से चल रही है?
They are so silent, so मेरे को तो इधर उधर से जो पता चलता है, because community is saying they are in my neighborhood, that they have gone out for their education.
They've gone out, मतलब देश से बाहर चले गए. आभा सिंह जी, अब मुझे आपके पास आना होगा.
My son, my elder son, he was also the same age. He was 17 when he lost his dad. He has quit his college twice. Today I am making it public. He has quit his college twice. He's going through therapies. He is disoriented. He doesn't know what to do in life. Whereas those children, they are doing their education. They are having a good time. And I am here struggling. I paid college fees twice, 2 different colleges, 8-6 lakh, which has gone down the drain. Because he just couldn't cope up. Changing cities didn't help. Changing college didn't help. Changing courses didn't help. किसी ने आज तक आके पूछा है? Then I decided that, I used to write on Justice for Alok. Every day I used to write 2 years back. I went through therapies. My therapist said that, Mika, stop writing. Your children need you. You are draining yourself. अभी बड़े का प्रॉब्लम है, छोटे का भी शुरू हो जाएगा. Now my younger one is in grade 12. His boards are there. I mean, if I chase something, I lose on to something else. When I chase something else, I lose on to this. Where to go, what to do, manage house, increase income in the house, manage children, go to courts. I have criminal cases running. I have a MACT case running. I mean, I'm just too occupied. I've lost my health also.